This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news. Wow, look at this. An interactive chart showing global wealth and health changing over decades. You can explore data points like India, China, instantly. But how? Forget coding nightmares. They just typed a request. Watch this. They're asking the AI right now to create this exact animated bubble chart, showing how countries evolved. Now, the prompt goes into the AI, it thinks, analyzes, understands the animation, the data. And look, it's generating the Python code live. Complex code in seconds. They copy it, paste it straight into Colab, hit run, connecting, processing, and bam. There it is, the complete, interactive, animated chart built from that simple sentence. See the years fly by? Watch the countries shift. Hover over the US, Germany, Nigeria. Instant details for any year. This entire sophisticated visualization, conjured from plain English. This is incredible. AI isn't just assisting, it's creating complex tools on command. Truly revolutionary. Mind blown by what AI can do? Want to stay on the cutting edge of artificial intelligence and see more jaw-dropping demos like this? Subscribe to AIX now and join the AI revolution.